Welcome back, kids. Today we're going to be learning how to condense logarithmic expressions. Prepare yourselves. Now, in order for you to be able to simplify one of these expressions, there's a few things that you should be able to identify and switch, and they're very simple. First off, when you see an addition sign, you do not actually add, you multiply. So all you do is substitute in a multiplication sign for the addition sign. Secondly, a subtraction sign actually means to divide. So once again, all you do is substitute in a division sign for the subtraction sign. Now, before we get into a very complex problem, we're going to start off with something very easy, and we're going to ease our way into it. Now, the problem we are going to be doing is log 9 plus 3 log 2 minus log 3. Now, as you can see, there are 3 log symbols shown in the equation, and we simply do not need 3 because we're trying to simplify it, and they all have the same meaning, so we do not need 3. Now, we are going to take the log symbol, so log, and we are going to put it outside a set of parentheses to show that it needs to be distributed to everything inside. So the same thing as having 3 log symbols. Okay, so let me explain what I just did, because I know you are all probably flipping out saying, whoa, why is there 2 cubed? Okay, let me explain this. So, whenever you have a number in front of the log expression, such as 3 times log 2, you simply take the 3 that's in front of the log and place it to the number behind, such as 2. So it would become log 2 cubed. Now that you have that information, you now know how to do the first part of condensing the expression. Moving right along, we know the subtraction sign actually means to divide. So what we're going to do is we're going to take log 3 and we're going to put it underneath log 9 times 2 cubed, like so. Well, all we have now left to do is simplify. Now, all I did here was simply do 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. What is 9 times 8? 9 times 8 is 72. And on the bottom, we still have 3. So now this is just simply knowing your numbers. So 72 divided by 3 is, which leaves 24. Us with our answer, log of 24. Alright, well, that wasn't too bad. So now we're going to try a little more complex problem.
This problem is a little more complex, as you can see from the last one, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, and before you know it, you'll be condensing logarithmic expressions like a pro. Now, to start off with this problem, all you simply do is take the number behind the ln, such as x or as 2, and you're going to raise it to whatever is in front of ln, such as 2, so x squared, or 2 to the 5th. We also know that the addition sign is actually multiplication and subtraction is division. So I went ahead and changed the symbol. Now, using some prior knowledge, and by prior I mean like 2 minutes ago, from the last example, we know that you take whatever number is followed by the subtraction sign and you put it in the denominator. So I simply took 8 and dropped it into the denominator. Now you can see I have the ln over here on the left because the ln was attached to all of the variables. We had it attached to the x, the 2, and the 8. So now we only have one ln. Finally, all we have left to do is simply simplify, because we do not want to leave numbers cubed when we know that they could be simplified further, such as 2 squared is 4, so why leave it as 2 squared? Now, all that's left to do is some mental math. So we're going to take 2 to the 5th, we're going to simplify that to 32. And that leaves us with our final answer, ln times x squared times 32 all over 8.
That's it. You did it. You learned how to condense a logarithmic expression. Great job. I'll see you back here tomorrow.
And we all know that obviously 2 to the 5th is 25.